What is up, guys? Welcome to and welcome back to the channel. So today what we got going on, as you can see, we've got the 570 loaded up behind the black truck here. We are actually going to take this four-wheeler and get it tuned. So we're actually going to directly get the ECM or ECU, whatever you'd like to call it. We're going to get it directly flashed in-house at CPP ATV Repair. If any of my viewers watch Mud Puppy, this is actually where he gets his Honda gear reductions made, so it's a pretty reputable shop. But I'm excited to see if it makes any difference. I was debating or considering getting a fuel optimizer. I was really looking at the DynoJet fuel commanders, but to me, I just couldn't pass up. It's about the same money to get a computer flash thrown on as it is to buy a DynoJet. And I felt like you might get a little bit more power, a little bit more results out of a direct flash. So that's where we're going to end up today. But as you can see, we got to strap her down because she ain't strapped down at all. So there we go. We got her all tied down. So for y'all wondering, a DynoJet fuel commander, the one I looked at, averaged about $250. I looked at the fuel commander. Now you can get the Power Vision series. I do believe it's a Vision 5 for what I saw around $330. So those are both pretty, what I'd call expensive for a four-wheeler mod, but the ECM tune is $275 for a direct tune is what he quoted me. And I didn't think that was too bad at all. I mean, it's right in the middle there. And like I said, I figured you'd probably get better results because he actually has his own tune that he writes for him. So I think we're going to go give it a try today. And we're going to see if it makes any difference. And I'll let y'all know. I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, guys. So we did get it back from the shop. Like I said, we went to CPP ATV Repair in Henderson. And we got the four-wheeler flash. He used a DynoJet flash. Or a DynoJet tuner to flash the tune. It's custom tune wrote by him. They actually had to change the format a little for the 2014. His really only tuned for 2017 and up. But everything is looking good. We've already started up. We rode around a little bit at the shop to make sure everything is fine there. But we're going to get some videos of us riding around here. And so far you can notice a lot of difference in throttle response. And it seems like it has a little bit more power up top. And it also seems to ride a lot better in high. Guys, so I want to talk a little bit more in here out of the wind because as you can see, wind blowing the trees. It is a very windy day here. I want to talk a little bit more of why I went with an ECU tune over a handheld. So the handhelds, they only can control like your AFRs. They only really control the injector. They only control how much fuel is getting to the machine. Where the tuner can control a lot more. It can control like the pulse, the width. It can control a lot more with the injectors as well as other factors in the machine. So it can raise your speed limiter, your rev limiter. It can also raise the temperature at which your fan's cut on. So I think factory on these four-wheelers is 205 degrees, which is pretty hot, I would say. So they lower it down to keep the four-wheeler a lot cooler, which is going to keep it running a little bit better and give you a little bit more power. Also, they squeeze more power out of it just from different little tweaks in the machine. So I think my rev limiter is set at like, I want to say like 8,000. I'm not sure. I haven't, just been hitting the box on the 570. But anyway, and the speed limiter is off, but with the gear or with the clutch kit, it really only runs about 50, 55. I got it up to 50 on a pretty straight stretch of road. But like I said, 50 is just about as fast as I want to go on it. With those big tires and lift and everything. It gets kind of sketchy going 50 mile an hour, but everything's looking good. I haven't had any problems with the four-wheeler dying. It doesn't run rough, anything like that. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick bit of why I chose the ECU flash over the tuner. The handheld I was looking at was the DynoJet Power Vision 5. It was $339, and after tax and everything, I was